What's the meaning of civil? Civil. Civil.
Civil. Civil. The word civil has several possible meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. At its most basic level, civil refers to something relating to ordinary citizens or their society, as opposed to the military or the church. It can also refer to behavior that is polite, courteous, and respectful of others, especially in social situations. Alternatively, civil can be used to describe a legal or administrative process that is non-criminal in nature. Overall, civil implies a sense of order, harmony, and cooperation within a given community or group.